Now in this particular subtask of the digital clock and countdown timer project, we're going to make sure that the current time we've printed out is going to get printed out in the same line and not move on to the next line. And now coming to the subtask, so basically we have to update the digital clock function, and we're going to give a carry as return character, that is \r, so that the current time overrides the previous time on the same line instead of moving on to the next one. Now before printing it out in the same line, we need to remove what was printed previously in the same line. So we're going to use flush std out to make sure we're going to replace the current line, and then we're going to print out the new line. Coming to the code, we are simply going to print out \r current time, %s, and buffer. So buffer over here will be the current time, and \r over here is going to make sure that we're going to print it out in the same line, and flush std out is going to make sure to clear the line which is printed out before this current line. And after that, we're going to pause for 1 second so that the time change is going to look more natural. So let me just run this code once. Let me give digital clock, and you can see the time is being updated every second in the same line. Let me just submit this code once. So we passed both the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.